What's up, YouTube? It's July 21st, 2026, and this is a trade recap on how I lost $271.50. So let's get into it. So, first off, market open right over here, 9:30 on the high time frame. We had this daily gap, which we hit right around over here. And from there, I was thinking about possibly getting a short. There was no short entry that I liked. Then I saw that we hit this 4 hour gap right here. So skilled in, and I saw that we had these two draws above, 9:30 wick and 10 a.m. wick. And those are very strong draws in liquidity. So I was really confident in them getting hit. And I wanted to see some sort of PO3 at 10 a.m. where 10 a.m. manipulates into the 4 hour, and then we get an inversion to the upside for longs to 10 a.m. wick and 9:30 wick, which is exactly what happened. So at 10 a.m. we created this wick, then came lower, giving us that kind of 9:30 and 10 a.m. stacked PO3. And from this 4 hour, we got that initial mitigation sweep. And then we also had an SMT over here with the PO3, which is really strong for a key level. And then we got a small 2 minute IFVG. It doesn't show on MNQ, but on NQ, it was a really small IFVG. Ideally, I don't really like taking an IFVG when it's that small, where you have to zoom into the charts to see it. But when this was inversing, I was thinking, if we're gonna displace higher and I want to take this inverse, I'm gonna need to see a very strong close, which is exactly what we got right here, right? We closed super strong with this bullish candle, like 33 points, and inverse this little 2 minute gap. And from there, took the trade, entered right around over here, but instantly just got stopped out. Had my stop at the wick, or the body of this 2 minute, and unfortunately got wicked out, and then price ran straight to TP, which is unfortunate. But something that I should keep in mind, which is why I lost this trade, is the position that ES is in, right? So this is at 10:14, and at this time on ES, we still have that 10 a.m. draw, that 9:30 draw intact, but we have a lack of manipulation and we're just chopping, right? So since 10 a.m., we've just been chopping around, and 10:14 was right over here, which is like the first kind of bullish candle, where I should have waited for more manipulation, which is what I saw some people doing, where they waited for some more manipulation on ES and NQ, where they just took, after this got stopped out, they took a 30-second IFG, which closed around over here. Where is it? Right here, yeah. This 30-second IFVG. I saw Tiz taking this. Tiz trades. He also took this 10-12 long, but he risked less on it. So, it's whatever. I didn't even risk that much. I risked $271, which is 0.5%, which is really insignificant. So, I don't really care too much about that. But this trade has taught me a lot, just to not take really small IFVGs ideally, and to just wait for more manipulation on ES, right? So when ES is just chopping like this, it's just not good conditions to be taking a trade in. So I should next time just wait for more manipulation and then get an inverse. And that's how I could just avoid stupid little losses like this. And yeah, that's all for the trade recap. And if you guys want to see more trade recaps like this, follow the YouTube at ARZ Trades. And if you want to see more content, I got more content on my Instagram and my TikTok, where I'm more active on my TikTok. I got like 4.9K, getting close to 5K. So I'm trying to hit 5K by the end of the month, maybe. And yeah, see you guys in the next video.